Students, this is Wasim from Pari Public School. Now I am going to teach about this science chapter, food, where does it come from? Okay. So in that chapter, first we are going to discuss about variety in the foods. Okay, variety in the food. That is what food variety. Okay. See, let us now consider what did you eat today? Okay. Or find out what your friend ate today. Okay. So, did you observe that yesterday what you eat today also? Okay. So, we are eating the different types of dishes every day at the different times. Okay. We are not eating the same food. We are not taking the same dish at the same time. Okay. We are taking the different dishes. Okay, so we are taking a different ingredients. So, did you think that where does it come from? See, the food is made up of a number of different types of ingredients. So, what is this ingredients? The ingredients is an important source of a source which is required for preparing a dish. Okay. So ingredient, it may be vegetables. Consider a vegetable. Example is vegetables, oils, salt, okay, the water also, water, etc. These are all ingredients. These ingredients are required to prepare an food. Okay. So see. These are ingredients. What? Ingredients. To prepare a food, we require what are the ingredients. Okay. So these are the ingredients. These ingredients are obtained from the different sources. See, vegetable. The source of this vegetable is a plant. Okay, the source of this oil is also plants. Okay, so similarly, now all the ingredients they have a particular sources. Okay, suppose you consider one ingredient that is what is milk. Okay, the milk is an ingredient. Okay, to prepare a particular dish. Okay, so this milk is a source of it. This milk is come from animals. Okay, like cow, buffalo, goat. Okay, these are the animals that gives us these milk and the milk products. The milk products like ghee, butter, cheese, okay, etc., etc. These are all milk products and obtained from the animals. Okay. So see, milk products, and the eggs, next meat. So these are all the ingredients. This ingredient eggs are come from the eggs are come from the animals. Okay. Likewise, the meat also come from the animals. So the animals gives us these ingredients. Okay, eggs and meat. Okay. Now you just list out the some animals that gives us an eggs, meat. Okay, that is what an activity. Next, food materials and the sources. Food materials and its sources. Now I am going to discuss about this food materials and its sources. Food materials. What are the food materials? See, suppose you take this vegetables. Okay, so this is an suppose we are going to prepare an vegetable curry. Okay, the food item, our food item is a vegetable curry. Food item. Okay, this is a column of this food item. Okay, so this is what an ingredients. Okay, and this is the source of this ingredient. Sources or source. Okay. Now just we are going to list out the food items and the ingredients to require sources or to prepare the particular dish. Okay. So food item, consider this vegetable curry. Vegetable. So to prepare this vegetable curry, we require an ingredients: vegetables, oil, salt, okay, water, spices, etc. These are all the ingredients and sources. Vegetables, the source is in plants. Okay. The oil is also come from the some plants, like you take an example, mustard plant. That mustard plant gives us an oil and also a plant and also a vegetable. Okay. The leaves of this mustard plant we are using as a vegetables. Okay. Next, water, spices. Spices also from the plants. Okay. This is what in sources. Likewise, you may list out the some food items, ingredients and sources. Okay. So next, the third one is food, the plant parts and the food animal products. Plant parts and the animal products. Plant parts and food products, animal products, sorry, plant parts and animal products. See, plant parts. Suppose you consider any one plant, like a mustard plant, okay, or any one plant. Okay. So you can use some parts of this plant, okay, in your dishes, and to prepare dishes we can use some parts of the plants. We can use the roots, okay, we can use some stem, okay, internodes, nodes, okay, fruits, okay, leaves, okay. These are all parts can be used or utilized as an ingredients to prepare the food item. Okay. So similarly, some animal products. The animal products, see some animals, okay, goat, okay, cow, or you consider this fish. These animals gives us an egg and the meat. Okay. These egg and the meat are the ingredients to prepare the food. Okay. So this is what plant parts and the animal products. By use of these ingredients, we can prepare the food item. Okay. So consider any one food item. On basis of that food item, we can write the ingredient and also its sources. Tomorrow we will discuss about some animals. They can prepare their own food. Some animals they cannot prepare their own food. Some are depend on the others. Okay. So we will discuss later. Thank you.